Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a really long time since I posted on here. In fact, I have been deliberating as to whether or not to continue the channel. Did I have something worthwhile to share with all of you who have been so gracious to spend time with me over, oh my goodness, the many years that I have been doing this? And what I've come to the conclusion of is that yes, I do enjoy sharing and I do miss this community. Just had to figure out exactly what it was that I had enough passion and joy to share with you. There's so many good things in life, so many things that I do, so many things I want to learn and that I enjoy doing, and I know that you all enjoy seeing. But for me to be able to do this on a consistent basis, it needs to be something that I truly enjoy. And so with that, I have decided to change the direction of the channel just a little bit, going from Lemons and Larkspur, which was more just lifestyle, just my ordinary life, to Charming Kitchen Garden, which will focus on the two things that I truly adore, and that is my kitchen garden out back and the kitchen itself, baking all the breads, all the sweets, using the bounty from the garden in our everyday meals. That kind of direction is what I see, and I hope that you will stay with me. I hope that you will enjoy what I have planned and what I anticipate sharing with you. So, as you can see, if you are seeing this now, we are right in the middle of a busy Christmas season. I pray that you are blessed by all of the festivities. I know it's not always the easiest time in the world. If you have any kind of family strife or have lost loved ones, it's easy to lose the magic of this season. And my prayer for you and me during this time is that we will just focus on what it truly is about, and that is the birth of our Savior. The new year is just around the corner, and my hope, my desire is to be on here consistently a couple of times a week, whether it is sharing a quick tour of the garden, what I'm planting, what is growing, how everything is looking, or it's baking something in the kitchen, creating a new recipe, maybe trying a new recipe. I'm just giving you kind of life updates. I hope you'll like the new direction I'm taking. I pray that you give it a chance, come back and visit. I think that's really all I wanted to share with you today. So when you see my face come up, it will say Charming Kitchen Garden. All of the videos that I did under Lemons and Larkspur, and probably even under Lemon Lane Cottage, that's how long I've been doing this, they will still be there. But the new title is Charming Kitchen Garden, so when that comes up, you know the videos from me. So that is really it. I am going to get back to my family. We are just about winding down all of our festivities here. Family is in town, leaving in a couple of days, so I just want to soak up all the time with them. So if you are still here, I just want to say thank you for sticking around. If you are new, welcome. I hope you enjoy your time and your visits here. That is it for today. Until the next video, I want to thank you for stopping by.